If your business sells or hires beyond one country, chances are it does, even local businesses, your finances shouldn't live in one country. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage money globally without the usual fees and friction. This is exciting stuff. I'm Pallen. Welcome back. I help you build and grow your brand with the tools that save time and keep more money in your pocket. Today, I'm partnering with Airwallex to walk you through how this platform works for global businesses. As always, I only recommend tools that I believe in that can help you run your business smarter. So let's get into it. Airwallex is an all-in-one global payments and financial platform for growing businesses. In Airwallex, businesses can manage their finances, payments, and international spend from a single dashboard. Let's start with getting paid like a local. Even if you don't have an entity in that country, this is where global accounts make life easy. From the dashboard, I'm creating a new global account. Here you can choose where to open it. So the United States, Australia, Canada, Germany, and dozens of other countries, each with its own supported currencies. For this demo, I'm selecting Canada, which is where I'm from. This is very useful for me. On the right, you can see exactly what's supported: domestic ACH, Fedwire transfers, international SWIFT transfers, ACH direct debit. Of course, this is just going to depend on the country that you've selected. Everything updates automatically based on the country you choose. And setting it up takes just a few seconds. You can even give the account a nickname to keep things organized. Once it's created, you have local bank details to receive funds, just like a domestic business. And the account connects seamlessly to your Airwallex multi-currency wallet. That means you can collect payments in over 20 currencies, hold funds without forced conversions, and manage everything in one unified view, whether you're based in New York, London, or Sydney. Next, let's accept payments the way that your customers prefer, especially if you sell globally. Now let's head over to the payments dashboard. You can see just how global Airwallex really is. You can accept payments from customers in more than 180 countries using over 160 local payment methods, everything from Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, to card networks like Visa, MasterCard, and Amex. Every regional and BNPL options like Klarna, Afterpay, Shopee Pay, and Union Pay are built in. This dashboard makes it really easy to manage everything in one place. When you click into a region, Airwallex automatically localizes checkout, showing your customers their own currency and preferred ways to pay. I think that personalization alone can lift conversion rates. Right below, you'll see how Airwallex eliminates forced FX conversion. You can settle funds in the same currency that your customer pays in, known as like-for-like settlement, which helps protect your margins and cut unnecessary FX costs. And under flexible integration methods, you've got options for every setup: launch payments through platform plugins like Shopify and WooCommerce, and use a no-code checkout or embed a custom flow through the Airwallex API. If you want a branded experience, the demo checkout here shows how you can fully customize the interface to match your brand while maintaining a secure, friction-free payment flow. Now, let's move money globally with clear pricing, no mystery fees. I hate those. If you work with overseas suppliers or have remote employees, this is how you can easily make global transfers without the expense or hassle of traditional banking systems. So here I'm going to convert some funds, Great British pounds and US dollars, and we're going to send an international transfer. Everything happens inside Airwallex dashboard. No separate app, no waiting for a banker to process it. At the top, you're going to see exactly how much I'm sending: 1,000 pounds. The live exchange rate updates in real time. Here it is 1 Great British pound to 1.311 and then some US dollars, refreshed recently. You can preview this rate, confirm the delivery time, and see exactly what your recipient will get before you hit send. For this example, I'm going to transfer via ACH, which is Airwallex's local payment method for the US. It takes 0 to 2 business days to arrive, and there are no SWIFT fees involved. That's the key advantage of Airwallex's local payment rails: faster transfers, fewer intermediaries, and no hidden costs. You can send money to over 200 countries and access interbank FX rates on more than 60 currencies. And if you need to pay multiple vendors or team members, batch transfers let you send it to 1,000 payments at once, all reviewed and approved from one dashboard. You can also hold revenue in local currencies and convert it only when the timing or rate benefits your margins, giving you more control over cash flow and profitability. Team spend shouldn't be chaos. Here's how to issue cards and keep control. Airwallex corporate cards, available both virtual and physical cards, can be used to manage employee expenses, SaaS and AI subscriptions, or even global ad campaigns. Now I'm in the cards dashboard where you can manage company and employee spending all in one place. At the top, you're going to see a summary of all cards, total spend, company cards, and employee cards. And there's even a reminder to explore expense management if you're tired of chasing receipts. From here, I can create a new card instantly. When I click Create Card, I can choose between a company card or an employee card. Company cards are perfect for marketing campaigns, software subscriptions, supplier payments, and they can be shared across teams. Employee cards can be virtual or physical, making them ideal for travel, client entertainment, day-to-day business expenses. Both types work with Apple Pay and Google Pay, so your team can start spending right away. Each Airwallex card connects directly to your multi-currency wallet, letting you make purchases across currencies without international transaction fees. If there isn't enough balance in a specific currency, Airwallex automatically converts from your home currency at market-leading FX rates, ensuring every payment goes through seamlessly. You can also set spend limits, merchant controls, approval workflows for each card. For example, a USD card for ad spend with a monthly cap, or a travel card limited to airlines and hotels. You can freeze, unfreeze, or cancel cards instantly, all from the same dashboard. So handy. And then with real-time transaction visibility, you can see spending as it happens, making month-end reconciliation effortless. Finally, built-in expense management lets employees snap receipts and submit them directly in the app, so expenses are tracked and matched automatically. No more missing paperwork or manual data entry. Finally, let's streamline the back office. Bills, bookkeeping, and integrations. Airwallex Expense Manage System lets you reconcile your corporate card expenses and reimbursements in one place, so you have real-time visibility and control over employee spending globally. Airwallex Bill Pay keeps all your vendor invoices and payments in one place. So from this dashboard, I can create, schedule, and approve bills with just a few clicks. Each invoice moves through clear stages: submission, approval, and payment. So that way everyone knows exactly where things stand. At the top, you'll see the option to connect Airwallex directly to your accounting software. It works seamlessly with tools like Xero, which I use, QuickBooks as well, NetSuite, syncing all your bill data automatically for easy reconciliation. This means no more double entry or manual uploads. You can also enable email forwarding, so invoices sent to your account's inbox appear here automatically, ready to review and approve. Workflows can be fully automated also to match your team's process. Assign approvers, set reminders, minimize manual follow-ups. This is faster, more accurate, and eliminates those small errors that often slip through with manual systems. Quick word on safety, because this matters when you move money. Now here's a quick look at Airwallex's security and compliance standards. Airwallex is a licensed financial technology company, not a bank, and partners with regulated banks around the world. In the US, funds are safeguarded with partner banks, and eligible balances may be FDIC insured up to the applicable limits through those institutions. The platform meets enterprise-grade standards, including PCI DSS Level 1 and SOC 2 Type 2 certification. Every account uses mandatory two-factor authentication, continuous monitoring, and advanced fraud detection. Airwallex is licensed and registered across multiple jurisdictions, including FinCEN in the US, with global security teams operating 24/7 to keep your data and funds protected. If you operate across borders or plan to, Airwallex helps you collect like a local, move money with transparency, and control spend in one place. The platform is designed to be global from start to finish, with over 150,000 companies around the world trusting Airwallex to grow their revenue. So whether you're selling internationally, accepting payments in different currencies, or working with overseas suppliers or remote employees, the goal is simple: save time, reduce fees, and stay focused on growth. I put the link below so that you can check it out. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.